and today we're going to be talking about purchasing our licenses for our software. Now, the benefit to doing this is, of course, we have the capacity to receive all of the upgrades from Sheetcam. You can take this same Sheetcam license file and upload it onto a maximum of 2 computers, one for the table and one for your private computer at home, so that you can actually do all your cam work on your private computer. And of course, we'll also be purchasing the Mach3 license file as well, so that we have access to that on our system. So let's go ahead and get started. I will say that we have 4 bits of software on our computer. We have Sheetcam, Mach3, QCAD, and Inkscape. And QCAD and Inkscape are the open source files. They need no licenses. However, Sheetcam and Mach3 will both need licenses. And that's what we're purchasing today. So we'll go to sheetcam.com and we're going to go ahead and select purchase in the menu below. And we'll also select Sheetcam here, Sheetcam TNG, and Mach2. We're going to make sure both of those are selected. Now this is in pounds here, so you'll need to make sure that you, when you do purchase it, you understand that there's going to be some small variance in the actual dollar amount of your order, because of course the exchange rates are going to differ. Now right now that exchange rate allows us to be paying $313 for these 2 licenses. Once we have these 2 selected, we're going to go ahead and hit next. Alright, fantastic. Now we can go ahead and go through our sort of more details on our purchase. That is to say, if you have the a registered business outside of the UK, or if you have these qualifications that they list here, go ahead and fill that in here. Likelihood is you don't, but if you do, there you go. You can also input the name that you want on the license. Now otherwise it's just going to by default pick up that name off of the PayPal order. And also same thing for the email address here. You're just going to type in the email address that you want your license sent to, and if not, then it's just going to use the PayPal as a default. You have options to put in notes and special instructions or discount codes. In this case, once you have all this filled out, you'll hit next, and then you'll be brought to your order summary, in which case you'll do your checkout, and that'll go directly over to a PayPal service that will allow you to purchase the software and in this case, just the licenses. Once this is done, you'll receive 3 emails. The first email is going to be just an invoice. Second email is going to include your Sheetcam license, and the third email is going to include your Mach3 discount code. And this discount code is really just it's a code for a complete download of the software. A complete download of the license file. And in order to access that, you're going to need to go to machsupport.com. Now what you'll do is in here, you'll enter your coupon or registration code here and hit apply code, and this will automatically update this order with information on a Mach3 license file that you can now purchase. Now it is free since you did purchase it already through Sheetcam. This will just be a 0-sum order, and then you click proceed to checkout. Now if I were to proceed to checkout right now, there's really nothing in my cart, so I have nothing to purchase. But you'll go through Mach3's checkout section, you'll input the same email address that you used when purchasing your Sheetcam, and you'll go ahead and fill out that information and then check out, and you'll receive that purchase. Now once that's done, you'll be given the access to go ahead and download the Mach3 license file. Now the licenses as listed here will arrive by email within 2 hours of your order, so it may take a little bit of time, but you do have to double check your email a couple times just to make sure that it does arrive. And when it does arrive, you'll go ahead and follow all of the instructions as listed on the next video, which talks a little bit more about how to install that onto your system. So check those out and we'll go from there. Thank you.